Hello everyone, Michelle here, and today I'm back with another vegan favorites video. I've gathered all the things I've been loving so far this year in 2018, and I have a giant bag full to share with you guys. I'm gonna kick it off with a vegan milk that I just tried for the first time this past month. It is the new vegan milks from Elmhurst. This isn't actually my favorite flavor. I really like the milked walnuts, but what I love about this is the ingredients are incredibly simple. They're really delicious. So I've been loving these. I'm starting to shop a lot more in bulk. I'm actually going to be going today to Whole Foods to do a really thorough comparison of bulk food prices versus packaged, like rice in bulk versus rice packaged, and you can save a lot of money that way. But last time I went, I didn't have bags with me, so I was using all their plastic bags, and so I figured it was about time for me to order some little grocery bags that I can bring with me to the bulk section, and that way I don't have to waste plastic. I can just reuse these again and again. When I bring the stuff home, I just dump it into my mason jars and I'm good to go. So zero waste. That's kind of one of the beauties of shopping in bulk also. Not only are you saving money, but you're helping the environment, the planet as well. I'm not sure what the brand is, but I'll link below. I just got them on Amazon. They're really beautiful quality. They're all cotton and linen, and yeah, I love them. Next up is a newbie from Trader Joe's. I picked up a couple cans of their Jackfruit, and I just think it's really exciting that Jackfruit in cans is now so accessible. Jackfruit is amazing because you can use it in soups, barbecue jackfruit sliders. You can do so much with jackfruit, and it really takes on like a super meaty texture. So I'm really excited to start playing more with it, and I'm glad it's really easily accessible right at my local Trader Joe's. Another thing I've been loving are coconut bowls. When I was in Hawaii last year for a friend's wedding, I was like dying to just get like drinks out of a coconut and smoothie bowls in a coconut, and none of the places there were actually using them. So when I went home, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take care of this myself. And I Googled like how to get coconut bowls. And there is a company called Coconut Bowls, and they're actually really awesome. I own several of these bowls and love eating out of them. I think they're so fun. The company is really awesome. They collaborate with vegan content creators all the time, and I mean, gosh, I just adore these. A company that you may have heard me talk about before is Buddha Organics, and I actually have two things to share from them today. First is their new Suds of Love laundry soap. I absolutely love this because, as I mentioned, I'm trying to use less plastic and create less waste. And this laundry soap is a powder, and it's able to be packaged in totally biodegradable materials. This is just cardboard, and it's packaged in a cloth bag. And yeah, it's got a little wooden scooper spoon. It's all non-toxic, no chemicals, nothing bad for your body, nothing bad for the planet. And it's just a beautiful, clean product. I can always trust Buddha Organics to make the most clean, healthful, and conscious products out there. So yeah, I love it. They came out with this Buddha Butter deodorant, and I've been loving this. It works really well. The ingredients are super clean. It's a pretty soft formula, so just when I get out of the shower, I have clean pits. I just rub a little bit in like lotion, and I'm good to go. I just love this stuff. I often get questions about where I get my boots and bags and wallets and various items that look like leather, but they're made from synthetic products, not from animals. And one of my favorite companies is Wills London. I own boots from them that I've been living in this winter, extremely high quality, and they've been lasting. Like, I used to get a lot of my boots from Target, and they would just wear out within a season, but the Wills are just quality and they last so much longer. And here's an example of a wallet from them. Just beautiful quality. Yeah, I've been meaning to give this wallet to my dad, but it's still in my closet, so I figured I'd pull it out and show it to you guys. But if you're looking for like a little gift for the hubby or anything like that, this would make a really good gift. They have wallets, I believe they also have belts, they have briefcases now, all incredibly high quality synthetic leathers. Next up is something that I cannot say I love because I have not even tried, but I just have to show it to you guys because it's so unique and crazy. I have never had caviar before. Caviar is fish eggs. If you're into that kind of thing and you're sad that you can't eat it anymore now that you're vegan, there is a company called Caviart that makes caviar from plants. This is a caviar that's made from seaweed. It's a black caviar, and if you look at it, it's just these little gummy balls that look just like fish egg caviar, so it's kind of cool. I can't speak to whether it's good or not because I've never had real caviar, and I'm kind of nervous to try this because the whole concept is kind of weird to me. But if you've tried this before, let us know down in the comments below. Is it good? Does it live up to the hype? Would you recommend it? Or if you're into caviar, are you brave enough to go try this? I'm not sure what their website is, but I'll look for it and I'll drop it into the description field below if you want to check them out. I get a lot of questions from people about what I use for cruelty-free vegan makeup, and here's something that I tried recently and I've been really loving lately. As just like instead of foundation, I've been turning to this 100% pure bamboo blur tinted moisturizer. I find it has pretty good coverage, but still looks very natural. You can always trust that 100% pure uses a lot more natural, clean ingredients, and almost all their products are vegan. They are moving to become a totally vegan company, but right now they're totally cruelty-free and mostly vegan. But this one is of course vegan, and I've been loving it. One of my New Year's resolutions this year is to read more, and so I actually got a library card in my new city, and I have like 15 books on hold, and I've been just flying through books and loving it. And so I figured I'd share a couple of recent favorites with you. The book that I just finished is called The Storyteller Secret. This book is phenomenal. I recommend it to anyone who has a message that they want to share with the world, or who is a manager, or who works for an organization or a nonprofit, like pretty much anyone who takes leadership roles of any sort should definitely read this book. It's incredibly inspiring. It pulls out little bits and pieces from really powerful leaders, people who have given TED Talks, and just talks about their stories and what makes them so powerful, and how you can apply those techniques to your own story and to your own work. And it's, yeah, I just cannot recommend it highly enough. Definitely check out a copy. I'll leave a link below if you like getting it from Amazon, or you can do like I did and get it from the library. Another book that I cannot remember if I've mentioned to you guys yet or not, but it's really good, so I figure I'll mention it again. And it's written by my friend Erica Gray. It's called Walking with Petey, and this is a great read for anyone who's struggling with weight, who's struggling with diet, or who loves animals and great stories of the power of adoption. You may have seen a video that has gone super viral and been viewed millions of times about Petey's rescue story. And basically Eric O'Gray was really struggling with weight and saw someone who recommended that he adopt a dog and go walking with that dog every day. And so he adopted Petey, and he says that, you know, Petey saved him as much as he saved Petey. And it's just a really sweet, beautiful story, and messages of the power of vegan food and health is woven all throughout this book, and I just adore it. Sorry guys, my microphone got kind of crazy, lots of background noise, so I'm recording this separately. But next up is Veg News Magazine, which is my all-time favorite magazine. It's just a beautiful publication that comes out every 2 months. It's entirely vegan, and it has recipes, articles, even the ads are fun to read because they're usually from vegan companies or about vegan travel, things like that. So I just adore Veg News. You can check them out at vegnews.com. And if you're not subscribed already and you like magazines, I highly recommend it. Next up is for anyone who has dogs. If you're still using old school thick plastic poop bags, I encourage you to find more eco alternatives. I had actually purchased these that you see on the screen thinking that they were compostable and totally biodegradable, and later realized that they were actually made from plastic with a chemical that helped them break down. So there's a lot of like deceptive marketing out there, and as soon as I finish these up, I'm going to be getting truly compostable poop bags. It's such an easy thing that you can do and invest in to just remove some more plastic from life. And if you have any questions about raising dogs vegan, my dog has been vegan for more than 8 years. He loves V-Dog food and Natural Balance when he can't get a hold of V-Dog. Both of those are great vegan dog food options. He gets like a big thumbs up from his vets every time he sees them. He's seen a number of different vets, and never once has any of them said that this could be a problem. In fact, vets often prescribe a vegan diet to dogs who have like skin issues or sensitivities. So yeah, yeah, dogs are omnivores. They're not carnivores like cats, and they can thrive on a vegan diet. So if you have questions on that, I'm always happy to answer them, and I highly recommend checking out vdog.com. One more thing, for anyone who's interested in subscription boxes, this is the latest that I have tried out and found. I have a article on World of Vegan that is all about all the different vegan subscription boxes out there, so I try and stay like in the know and at least try out the new ones when they come on the market so I know what to recommend to everyone. And this one is really cool. It's not about vegan food, but it's called Bombay and Cedar Relax, Heal, Cleanse. But everything in it is always cruelty-free and vegan. And it's just a super beautiful box. Every box comes with 2 essential oils, this beautiful scented eye pillow, moringa powder, a little nuts vegan energy ball, body balm from NYL. This is a company that I've discovered through Vegan Cuts. I know they're totally cruelty-free and vegan. A journal to promote and encourage wellness and healthy eating. And is that it? And this little antibacterial spray with wipes too. So it's just very cool. I don't know. If you are looking for something to do to kind of treat yourself, pamper yourself, give yourself a little gift every month, that could be an option for you. So I'll drop the link to that below as well. Oh, one more thing I almost forgot to mention because I was like wearing it down here is this beautiful bag from JW Pay. I have been loving this bag. They sent this to me to consider because we're working on a collaboration, and I said I just want to make sure I love your stuff before I say yes to working with you. And so they sent me this bag, and I just did not expect to love it as much as I do. I wear this pretty much everywhere I go now, and I just feel like so much more put together than I did with my like slouchy, janky backpack before. I just think it's beautiful. It's made with really high quality faux synthetic leather, and it's got a really minimal design, nice pockets, and I just love it. So thank you, JW Pay, for sending this to me. And yeah, not sponsored, I didn't have to mention it, but I just figured I'd share for you guys in case any of you are looking for some new backpacks for carrying your stuff in. All right, so those are my favorites so far this 2018. I hope you've enjoyed taking a little sneak peek at the things that I've been loving. I would love to hear from you. What have you been loving so far this year? Drop them down in the comments below. What are your goals this year and how are they going? I just love hearing from you guys. So I look forward to chatting in the comments. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. If you want to stay tuned for more, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified when I post new videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you want to support my channel. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.